I'd really like to thank everybody who came here tonight. First, I'd like to thank Steve, because Steve's really been a part of the whole process. We used to have a lot of meetings where we'd sit and say, look, we just got to cut features. We just got to cut features. We got to get this thing out. What can we do? And so Steve's kind of a non-technical guy. So he came up with this idea that we could rename the thing Microsoft Window. And we would have shipped that a long time ago. Actually, I'm the guy who gets to be real serious and talk about the fact that this really is a great product. We put our hearts and souls into it. We didn't hesitate at any time to put more people onto it and really make it what we want it to be. And I'm going to show you real quickly a couple highlights from the product. This is the user-friendly shell that you first interact with.
A little different color?
Yeah, and you can run old applications. Here we're running 1, 2, 3, doing everything we normally do. We can bring up a chart, if you can see it, and we just put that chart in the clipboard and went back to Windows. And then we pulled up a paint program, and we used the paste command to pull in this chart. So there it is, the whole chart. You can scroll around, see the whole thing. And you can use the paint program to touch it up. So we're going to use that little bucket, pour some paint in those slices, make this thing look really good. And once we're done with the paint program, we can stick that window on the right and go over and use the shell to start up the write program. So the write program comes up. We can type a letter. And this write program is actually included in with the retail package. Now here we're going to use copy and paste to move that graph over into the document. So there it is in the rich text document. The next thing we want to show is the graphics and running multiple things at the same time. There it is with some boxes. Very, very high utility value there. A nice three-dimensional cube, and look, you can do these all at the same time. Palette, full screen cube, and here we're using tiling. We're moving things around. You never lose anything. It automatically resizes. We've got a clock up there. We can put the clock down in the icon area. It's multitasking, all right. Those programmers never forget. More and more. We got a calendar program that uses the graphical interface. We got a card file. We got a terminal program. Here we're running the terminal program. The card file on the side. It's all here, all running in 640K and totally flexible. No, this is real time.
80 megahertz.
Now here we have 8 copies of 1, 2, 3, and Multiplan, and DBase, and multiple copies of all these things. And we can run them, move them around, look at the data. All the old applications run. And now, the retail package of Microsoft Windows. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. It's here.